Hello, and welcome to our deep dive today. If you look out of your window in any major city like Mumbai, Bengaluru, or even a Tier 2 town like Indore, you will see a skyline that is constantly changing. The hustle-bustle of cranes and concrete mixers is not just noise, it is the sound of wealth being created. We are currently witnessing a massive real estate cycle that is unlike anything we have seen in the last decade. While most retail investors are busy chasing the latest tech IPOs or standard blue-chip banks, the real pace of Vasool opportunity is hidden in the building materials sector. These are the silent giants, providing the pipes, the tiles, and the roofing for every new home. Today, we are uncovering a stock that is a total game-changer for your portfolio, a company that is fundamentally strong and perfectly positioned to ride this construction wave. Let us understand the ground reality of this boom. The thing is, this boom is not happening by fluke. It is being backed by a massive push from the center. Schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana are not just slogans, they are driving real demand at the grassroots level. Plus, with the 100 Smart Cities project, the infrastructure landscape is getting a complete makeover. We are talking about a budget allocation of over 48,000 crore rupees. This creates a massive demand for high-quality building materials. For our Aam Aadmi investor, this means the addressable market for our spotlight stock is expanding exponentially. Whether it is luxury apartments in Gurgaon or affordable housing in Chennai, the demand for premium finishing materials is hitting the roof. This is not a short-term trend. It is a structural shift in how India builds its homes. Now, let's talk about the hero of our story. In the construction world, brand trust is everything. You cannot just put any local pipe or tile in a multi-crore flat, right? People want Pukka quality. The company we are discussing today has a legacy of several decades. They have transitioned from being a commodity player to a premium lifestyle brand. Their moat is their incredible distribution network that reaches the smallest gullies of the country. While competitors are struggling with logistics, this company has optimized its supply chain to be lean and mean. They have a solid presence across multiple segments: roofing, boards, and even high-end plumbing solutions. This diversification makes them a very resilient pick for any market condition. Let's look at their sheer scale. Don't just take my word for it. Let the numbers do the talking. In the last financial year, the company's revenue crossed the 22,000 crore mark. That is no small feat. What is even more impressive is their CAGR of 15% over the last 5 years. While other sectors were facing headwinds, this company maintained its margins through sheer efficiency. Their debt-to-equity ratio is also very healthy, which is a rare thing in the capital-intensive construction industry. They are sitting on a comfortable cash reserve, allowing them to acquire smaller players and expand their empire. For a long-term investor, these are the signs of a multi-bagger in the making. The return on equity stands at a robust 18%, proving that they are generating great value for their shareholders. One thing I always tell my fellow investors is never put all your eggs in one basket. This company follows that funda perfectly. They started with roofing, but today they are a complete building solutions provider. From eco-friendly green building blocks to high-pressure piping systems, they have captured the entire value chain. This is a very smart move because it increases their wallet share per house. Think about it. When a contractor buys their roofing, they are also pitched their pipes and boards. It is a one-stop shop model that is working brilliantly. Moreover, their focus on R&D has led to the creation of fire-resistant and termite-proof materials, which are in high demand for modern high-rises. This innovation keeps them ahead of the local, unorganized players in the market. The real growth in India is now coming from the Bharat beyond metros. Cities like Lucknow, Patna, and Coimbatore are seeing a massive construction spurt. Our spotlight stock has been very clever. They didn't just focus on the posh areas of Mumbai or Delhi. They built a massive distribution presence in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities years ago. This gives them a first-mover advantage. As rural incomes rise and people shift from kucha houses to Paka homes, this company is the first brand they see at their local hardware store. Their logistics are so well-oiled that they can deliver to the remotest parts of the Northeast within 48 hours. This reach is a massive entry barrier for any new competitor trying to enter the space. Now, no investment is without its tension points. We must look at the risks too. The construction sector is very sensitive to interest rates. If the RBI hikes rates, home loans become expensive, which can slow down new projects. Also, the cost of raw materials like polymers and cement is linked to global crude oil prices. Any major spike there can squeeze the company's margins. However, because this company has such a strong brand, they have been able to pass on these costs to the customers without losing market share. That is the beauty of a moat. We also need to watch out for the entry of big conglomerates into the paint and building material space. But given this company's specialized niche, they are well shielded for now. It is all about monitoring the ground reality every quarter. So, what is the final funda? This stock is not for those looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. It is for the serious investor who understands the power of compounding. As India aims to become a $5 trillion economy, the building materials sector will be a primary beneficiary. This company, with its solid balance sheet, incredible reach, and diverse product line, is a marathon runner. If you are building a long-term portfolio, this could be the foundation stone you need. Always remember to do your own due diligence or consult your financial advisor before taking the plunge. But one thing is for sure, the Indian construction story is just getting started, and you wouldn't want to miss this train. Thank you for joining us, and happy investing.